Hey everyone, Mr. Simple Auto Detailing here. I'm here with another detail. Today I got a 2013 Hyundai Veloster. She's a little bit dirty, quite a bit, and she got a little high miles, but she's running great. So let's take a quicker look into this detail.
Okay, let's get close and personal with this Veloster. As you can tell, those headlights are needed some work. It has some clear coat failure, and as you can tell, that wheel wel's pretty broken, and those wheels, yeah, they're pretty scruffed up. Every single 4 wheels have curb rash. As we take a walk around this vehicle, you can tell this car's never been detailed. It has no waxes, no protections whatsoever, and you see in that engine bay, man, that thing was dirty, and I don't think it's ever been cleaned since it was brand new. And we're walking around to the side, getting a good look at the interior. The interior wasn't too bad, but all the seats had covers on it, and this was underneath some staining, and everything was sticky for some reason, and the customer had multiple floor mats, and I told her that's kind of dangerous.
As you can see, I have a lot of work on my hands to make this little car nice and shiny again. I'm just so happy it's not a freaking SUV. Should take me about 6 to 8 hours to get this car looking brand new again. Enjoy.
So we're going to start off an undercarriage pressure wash, and when I was pressure washing this, man, so much dirt and grime and debris actually came off of this little car. I was very shocked. And like any good detailer, we always start off with the wheels. These products I'm using Meguiar's tire cleaner and wheel cleaner, and chemical guys for the wheel wells for their all-purpose. Of course, using all these brushes just for these wheels, like every detailer, like a good detailer we are. Give it nice and clean. Okay, so all 4 wheels are done now. We're gonna do a pre-rinse on the whole vehicle to make sure to get all the sand and dust and other contaminants is on it. And then of course you had to be a real detailer to have a foam cannon. And the product I used was Chemical Guy Snow Foam. It's pretty decent. I like it. I don't mind it. Then went all around with my detail brush, getting the nooks and crannies where my mint might miss it. Do the 2 bucket method. Like of course from up to down it might not look like it, but it did. And it is time lapse. And then I did a second foam cannon on it to get rid of the rest of the product in the foam cannon. I like it doing it this way. I know a lot of you are gonna go like, hey, that's backwards. Well, hey, I like it this way and it works for me. So yeah. Okay, now the outside's mostly dry. We're gonna look inside and see what we need to do. And I know in the back seats right here, we're definitely gonna have to do a full extraction. But I did not record that part. I do apologize. Noob, got it. And look at my face. I am dreading it. Now we're gonna work on those headlights now. And we're gonna do it by hand. I did not have a polisher at the time because mine broke. So we're gonna do it by hand. It was wonderful. It was absolutely so much fun. I'm so happy that the customer really wanted me to do the engine bay. I love how dirty it was and how clean I could get it. And the product I am using is a Chemical Guys product, VRP. I do use 303 Aerospace as well, but I usually use that for the interior. And for this, it works very well in the engine bay, as I think it does. It doesn't have a sticky residue, and it just gives it a nice wet finish look. I absolutely love this product. Here is the final product, and as a noob, look at that finger. That looks so great. I haven't been filmmaking for years at all, I swear. Just a noob. So here's the final product. Like I said, I did not show any video of me cleaning the interior or extracting. I do apologize, noob again, but after doing this for 6 hours, I was pretty much done. But look at that interior. It is nice and clean, and that's with the 303 Aerospace on the dash and all the plastics. And I did use Chemical Guys Lightning on the fabric. I absolutely love that product as well. It works very well. But I know Adams does pretty good, and other Meguiar's, all that, I get it. But this one works just as well for me, and look at that. It's looking brand new again.
Well, this 2013 Hyundai Veloster is looking a lot better than it first when it came here. But unfortunately, the clear coat is failing on this vehicle. There's not much clear coat left on this vehicle. I wouldn't recommend doing a polish on it just yet. But other than that, I put a new ceramic wax on it to give it a little more protection and completely clean in the interior. So I hope the customer will be very happy with it. So let's find out. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.